How to add search bar in Wix website. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add search bar in Wix website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to wix.com, in which you need to register or log in with your existing Wix account. So as you can see, this is how the home dashboard look like. And from home, you can choose the file that you want to edit. And now I'm choosing my file, which is, as you can see, is now on the next tab. And after choosing the file that you want to edit, you will see a variety of things that you can do to customize or design your website. Here you can see the elements, add screen, layout, add apps, page menu, and many more. And if you want to add a search bar in Wix, all you need to do is to click the Add Apps, in which it will lead you in here, Wix App Market. And on the search bar, kindly tap Site Search, and just click Enter, in which by doing so, it will show you the result of the thing that you search. And on the result, kindly choose and pick Wix Site Search, in which by doing so, it will lead you in here. And the next thing that you need to do is to click the blue button that says Open. And after that, it will lead you in here, in which, as you can see, it is now added to our website or file. And also, you can customize it depending on your desire. We have here the main, settings, display, layout, and even design, in which on the design part, you can customize the search bar, the menu, the search result, and all the other buttons. So that is how to add search bar in Wix website. Thank you.